Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Traders Destination. It's a weekend and as you all know that whenever I launch any of my strategy, I prefer to launch it only during the weekend. The reason being, it gives you enough time to do backtesting and you can actually try to see how well it performed in the past months. I'm a bit late today because it's already almost 1 at night. I had few household works, that's why I could not upload it, but better late than never, friends. So hence coming to this strategy and introducing to you the bank nifty strategy, a presentation from the channel Traders Destination. The name of this strategy is BN11. The reason behind this name is it's a 11 a.m. strategy. You have to watch the bank nifty futures contract in the morning 11 a.m. and basis that you have to take a call basis the setup. Friends, as you know that in Traders Destination channel we run a knowledge sharing session, and basis that this strategy is something which is gifted by Mr. Prakash and he's from Gujarat. So coming to the rules of the strategy, it's quite simple and straightforward and it's a pure price action setup. So the thing is, you have to watch a 15 minutes candlestick. You can watch a candlestick or a bar, whichever you want. The choice is yours. The time you have to watch is 11 a.m. in the morning. Please don't try to use this strategy anytime after or before that, and also at the same time don't try to apply this strategy into any other scripts, because this works perfectly in Bank Nifty. We will not take any guarantee on how it works in any other scripts. Choice is yours. If you want to do backtesting, if you want to see how it works, you can definitely try and let us know. So what you have to watch is at the time of 11 a.m. you have to watch the last two candles. That is the candle of 10:30 a.m. and 10:45 a.m. So as you watch these two candles, after watching those two candles, so by the time when you are logging in at 11, you will see those two, and then you have to mark the high and low of these two candles. That is the range of this candle. Okay, now please listen to me very carefully, because it's not a simple range break kind of a rule. The rule is, say for example, if you are on the buy side, okay, say for example the value of Bank Nifty is 26,500, that is the high, and 26,450, that is the low. So it means the range of these two candles from 10:30 to 11 is 50 points. What you have to do is, you have to wait and watch for the time till the price reaches up to 5 points above the high of the range. So 26,500 plus 5. So you have to wait and watch and see that 26,505, that price is achieved or not. The moment you see that price is achieved, you have to get ready with your order. You have to pass the order in the portal and the buy price that you will place will be at the high price. It will not be at a high plus 5, it will be at the high price. That is in the example 26,500, not 26,505. Got it? So similarly, say for example, if instead of the high being broken, if the day is like the low of the range is getting broken, so then what will happen? Again the same thing you have to observe. You have to see if the price is breaking the low of this range and falling by 5 points. The moment you see it had fallen by 5 points, you have to place a short sell order at the low price. Okay, what will be the stop loss? Stop loss will be the bottom of the range minus 2. So in case if you're on the buy side, the same example that I quoted, 26,500 was the high of the range, 26,450 was the low of the range. So it means the range is of 50 points. Your stop loss will be 50 plus 2, 52 points. And what is going to be your target? Your target 1 will be 50 points, target 2 will be 70 points, and target 3 will be whatever is the price at 3:15 p.m. Choice is yours. Okay, if you're seeing the Hindi version of it, I am actually launching this strategy in both the versions at the same time, because most of my friends keep complaining that we don't understand Hindi. Please make it in English. And at the same time, if I make any strategy in English, the Hindi audience complains that we don't understand English, so please make it in Hindi. Hence I decided that I'll be launching both the versions at the same time, so that it can reach both the audience at the same time across India. So friends, I have also uploaded the other version of this video in Hindi, where I have mentioned it's a daily 2000 rupees strategy. So this is a bank nifty daily 2000 rupees strategy as well. Okay, so by daily 2000 rupees strategy, it means if you are trading using this setup by target 1 is your 50 points. Bank nifty one lot is equal to 40 contracts. 50 multiplied by 40 means 2000 rupees is the target 1. Okay, target 2 is definitely 70 points. So now, for example, if you're trading with only one lot, then you are left with less options, because in that case you have to either set target 1 as your point of profit and exit from there, or if you are a risk taker, then you can actually try to trail the stop loss and chase the price behind it to the maximum profit. But that's not advisable, because bank nifty is a very volatile kind of a script, and the volatility is so high that by the time you see it's reaching 50 and going up to 70, there might be a possibility that it may fall down from there as well, and you may in that process lose out whatever profit you would have made. So hence it is always advisable, friends, that you should, while trading with bank nifty, you should, if you are trading with one lot, it's always better you book profit with one lot at target 1 and then start trailing. But the risk, I mean, the choice is yours, because there are various traders and every trader has a different trading style. So apply your own style, apply your judgment, and then only trade. Okay, so this is the rule. The rule is quite simple. Just because it's a price action, there is no indicator, nothing is there. It's a very simple rule. Now, to explain it more, let me come to the chart so that you can understand it more properly. And friends, one more thing, like I have published all, I mean, whatever strategies that I have published. People keep asking me that maybe get the backtesting result sheet. So I don't think that is important, because friends, I teach you the strategy, and to support you so that whatever you have learned, it's proper or not, I already have a Telegram channel. In that Telegram super group, I have over 1100 people who are traders from various levels. Somebody is a beginner, someone is just a learner. There are people who are housewife, there are people who are students, there are people who are actual traders, even there are some people who are sub brokers also. Okay, so there, it's a group of all sorts of people. It's a destination for all sorts of traders from various places of India. So friends, if you have any doubt, any query, please come to the Telegram super chat group. Okay, I will be showing the name of the group at the end of this presentation, and there you can actually get your queries clarified. Okay, instead of asking me for backtesting results and Excel sheets, I would urge you that you do the backtesting yourself. You see how fruitful it was in the past months, and if you are confident enough, if you feel that there is any positivity in this by following this, then only please go ahead with it, or else there are many other strategies, you can try them. Okay, so let me try to cover maybe which month. Let me try to cover June, because in the Hindi version also I have covered June. So in the English version also, let me cover June. Okay, so this is AFYERS platform, and I'm taking you to the June 1st. Okay, yeah, so this one is for 1st of June. Okay, see, so 1st of June, this is the first candle, 9:15 a.m. candle. So what we have to do, we have to watch the candle at 11 a.m. and what we have to watch at 11 a.m., we have to watch the 10:30 a.m. candle and 11 a.m. candle. So the moment you are watching this 10:30 a.m. candle and 11 a.m. candle, what you have to do, you have to measure the range of these two candles. What is the range? Say for example, in this day, the range, the bottom of this two candle was 26,699, and the high of this two candle was 26,793. So approximately 95 points was the range of these two candles. So you have to mark the range of these two candles, and then you have to wait for the moment till you see that the range is broken, the low or the high, whichever is getting broken first. Watch this candle at 11:15. So this 11:15 candle is breaking the low of this range, definitely by a good number of points, but we have to wait and see that up to it should break by 5 points at least. So if you are seeing that the price is falling below by 5 points, then again there is going to be a retrenchment happening from there, and then you are going to make an entry at the low price. Don't straight away make an entry at the low price, because there are possibilities that the price might actually fall down and then reverse from there and never even go down. So in that case you will probably book a loss. Hence the rule is you have to wait and watch for the price to fall below by 5 points, by 5 rupees, whatever you say, and as it fall below by 5 points, then you have to actually place a limit order at the short sell, I mean at the low of the price. Okay, so see what happened this day. You made a short sell at this price, which is around 26,700 rupees. Your target one is 50 points, so if I am considering it as 700, then 26,650 is going to be your target one, and as per target two, 25,000 26,530 is going to be your target two. Now see what had happened. Perfectly it has fallen till 70 points. So had you been trading and on this day, you would have got both the target 1 of 50 points as well as target 2 of 70 points. Okay, so now let me come to the next day, that is 4th of June. Let's see what happened on 4th of June. So this is the chart of 4th of June. We are going to see 10:30 and 10:45. So this candle, the red candle, is the 10:30 AM candle. The candle after that, that is 10:45 AM candle, is this one, the small doji kind candle. Then we have to keep watching and see that the price is broken by 5 points, either by on the higher side or on the lower side or not. Okay, so what happened? We are waiting and watching, and then we saw that around around this time, which is around in the 12:45 candle, the low is broken by 5 points, and definitely more than 5 points. Now what happens, friends, by looking at this candle, you will not understand that if the price had actually steadily broken it and had never come back, or it has actually broken and come down. Okay, so Bank Nifty being a very volatile stock, what happens, what it keeps happening is it keeps on fluctuating, and the price, the 5 or 10 points of price is almost like negligible. You will not even be able to see. So in case if you are a working professional and you don't have enough time to actually track that 5 points retrenchment or not, then one advice can be that you can actually target entry at that target plus 5 point, like at the range plus 5 or range minus 5. That is, in this case, for example, in this day, if the low of this range was 26,432, maybe 33 I should take it. So instead of taking watching it till 5 points and then again placing an order after that, if you don't have that time, you can straight away put a entry at 10,600, I mean 26,433 minus 5, that is equal to 28 rupees. Okay, so like that you will have some peace of mind, like that, okay, you don't have time, so maybe you will book 5 points less, but still it is good enough. But if you have time, if you have enough time, if you can look at the chart at a given interval of time, then you can definitely follow what I have mentioned, because most of the times it also happens like this, that the price fluctuates a bit, it goes up to 5 or maybe below 5, and after going up or down 5, it will revert back from there. So hence, to avoid that kind of losses, this is the advice. So see, let's see this day what had happened. You have made an entry over here. Definitely this was the low price of around 26,000. Okay, sorry, I clicked somewhere else. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so you have made an entry over here, and 50 points, 70 points you have definitely achieved quite easily. Okay, so let's see what is the price over here. 26,440 was the price. 440 minus 50 points will be around 26,390, and minus 70 points will be around 26,370. See, you have comfortably got those 70 points, and even if you are actually trailing the stop loss, or maybe if you are holding it till 315, see, you would have got a good profit over here. Okay, so now let's see the next day. Let's see 5th of June, what happened on 5th of June. So 5th of June, this is the 10:30 AM candle, and this one is the 10:45 AM candle. As usual, what we have to do is we have to mark the high and the low. Now see what is the range of this day, what is the stop loss of this day. 26079 from, let's take it like 2607080 to the high of this candle is 26216. Okay, so now you may say that where is my risk to reward ratio, because this is a candle which is of a very higher value, but I am targeting for just 50 points. My risk to reward ratio will be hit. So the choice is yours, because as per this strategy there will be days when the risk, basically the range of these two candle at this given point of time, might be less. Like say for example, it can be a situation where this two candles range is like around 30 points and your target is around 50 points. But at the same time there can be a situation when the range of these two candles are maybe 100 points or 150 points, whereas your target one is only 50 points. Okay, so that's where the trader's judgment and trader's trading style comes. So if you are not comfortable taking a high risk kind of a trade when you are seeing that the range of these two candles are quite high, whereas the target one is only 50 points, if you are not comfortable taking that trade, then you don't trade that day. Okay, but if you are comfortable, if your money management is in place, only then you can take this trade. Okay, now let's see what had happened on this day. So definitely this was the high of this range was around 26,215. So 26,215 plus 50 means 65, plus 70 means 85. So let's see where the price went. Comfortably it went up to the T2 of the day, and then it reverted back from there. So had you taken that risk on this day, you would have definitely got 50 points or 70 points depending on your T1 or T2. Okay, now let's see 6th of June what had happened. Again 6th of June, 10:30 and 10:45. See the same example just now I have quoted you, right? That the previous day the candle range for these 2 points was very high, and hence you were little bit skeptical on taking that we should take that trade or not, we should take that risk or not. But see, look at this day, what is the high and low of this range? The low of this range is 234, high is 265. Okay, just 31 points. So the risk is of 31 points, target 1 is 50 points, target 2 is 70 points. The risk to reward ratio becomes, as per target 2, around 1:2. So this keeps happening, this will keep happening in this strategy. If you are thinking that you will always trade with 1:1 kind of a risk to reward ratio with Bank Nifty strategy, this one, then it is not applicable here, because here the strategy is very different. And let's see what happened on this day again. So 26,267. So for the ease of calculation, let me count it as 26,270. So 70 plus 50 is equal to 26,320. So you have comfortably achieved 320. Even if you are eyeing for the target 2, that is going to be around 340. See, you have achieved that as well. Okay, so this was 6th. So yeah, this was 6. So that's how, friends. So it's that's so I don't have much time to talk about. If you want, you can see some other days as well. Let's see, we have because the Hindi version was of around 20-25 minutes, so I thought that I will try to restrict it up to that time. But let's see what happened on 7th. 7, this is the 10:30 AM candle, and again this is the 10:45 AM candle. Let's see what happened after that. Your range is over here, 26,737. So 37 plus 50 is around 87. Let's see up to what price it went. It went comfortably up to your target 1. After achieving target 1, it actually reverted back from there. So you have got 50 points of profit. Your T1 is 50 as per this strategy, your T2 is 70, and your T3 is whatever is the price at 3 p.m. Okay, so again coming to this day, this is 8th. Again this two candle was like this. The range of this two candle was this, the high of this candle was around 26,372. So you have to wait and watch the price going up to 5 rupees, that is 26,377. Let's see what is the high of this. Yeah, definitely it went up to that, and definitely for that reason you have made a buy over here. After making the buy, what had happened? The stop loss got hit. The stop loss with the stop loss buffer of rupees 2, the total stop loss got hit as on 8th of June. Fine. So this is how the strategy works. No strategy is perfect, friends. Every strategy has got some loopholes. uh, no strategy on earth can be there which can give you 100% profit every day. Okay, so plus and minus both are there. Risk is definitely there when you are trading in futures. Definitely the risk is very high because futures trading is indeed a very risky affair to do. Choice is yours. This is just a strategy, this is just a guidance, like any other tutorial video in my channel. Do backtesting on that yourself, try to learn it nicely before applying it, and then only go ahead with it. So that's about the strategy, friends. Soon I'm going to launch a course which is a futuristic beginner. This is basically a intraday trading course, a course which is spread across around 5 to 6 hours, in which I will be touching all these points, which is a must know factor for any daily trader or even a part-time trader. Something which is going to be that you must be following, and definitely something which will enhance your skills by, like if you are doing by following some smart ways. So these are the three things that you can actually expect from this webinar that I am coming ahead with. If you find that anybody is interested in doing it, maybe you yourself or maybe any of your family or friends, please let me know. I will be holding this in both the languages. Right now I'm thinking to hold it in Hindi because the maximum number of entries that I have received are from Hindi speaking people. But if you want an English version of that, I don't mind doing that as well. Okay, so that's all for today. Whatever queries you have, whatever questions you have, you can definitely ask us. We have a traders destination forum. It's a learning forum where all the traders of more than 1100 people come to trade, and they all learn together, because all the strategies that I publish are anyways for educational purpose, and we actually look into it, we try to modify it and see that how good or how bad that is performing on a day in day out basis. Whatever strategies are launched in my channel, you will find it in the channel playlist. Please visit the playlist. All the strategies are there in both the languages, Hindi and English. Okay, Awesome Nifty strategy is still not published in the English version. Soon I'm going to do that as well. Till the time, enjoy the rest of the videos and have a happy trading. That's all, friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.